Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lizzie here. If you're new to my channel, I'm a beauty, lifestyle, fashion and motherhood vlogger. If you like my content, please do make sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a video. Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be nesting, and organizing a few bits in my baby's nursery. I'm just doing the intro now. You'll see a clip at the beginning of a different day, different hair, different outfit. But yeah, in that little clip that I'm going to show you first, I was just taking all the baby clothes out, washing the clothes and everything. I had to do 2 sets of washing that day. I had to do lights and darks. I didn't want to mix them. So yeah, I had to do 2 lots of washing that day, and they sort of took their time to dry. The sun kept going in and everything, so I couldn't record the rest of the video. So yeah, so that's why I'm doing it on a different day. So anyways, they're all dried now. I've got some there. I've got some in this big old bag. So we're just gonna organize them and put them back all washed, and put the ones that are in my hospital bag back into my hospital bag, because now they're washed and everything, so they're all good to go. Yeah, so I'll put those clips in and then we'll get into organizing. So I've already got her stuff in organizers already and stuff like that. So in here is newborn / 0 to 3 months in this little organizer here, and then this is 3 to 6, and then we've got some bodysuit. We've got newborn and I believe 0 to 3 as well in here, sort of going like that. And then we've got sleep suits in here. And then the extra is her 6 to 9 months and up to a year and stuff. So yeah, that's what's in here so far. But like I said, I'll get through the newborn and stuff today. So get the bag. Let's get the bag. I'm gonna remove the tags of everything, because obviously they're going in the wash. To remove some kind of outfit that's actually in the in my hospital bag. I need to get them out. How cute is this little outfit? Cute little numbers. This is a pack of leggings I actually got. I got a 5-pack, pack of 5. I think they're really nice colors in there. So just going into my hospital bag. Some of the baby stuff, the baby clothes in there, to get them out. And then you're gonna have to just put them back once everything's washed. I've separated them from light and dark. Time to put our Persil 3-in-1 capsule, non-bio. Nah. And then set the washing machine to baby clothing, and then set the washing machine, and we are all good to go. So this is it. We've got the lights out, the lighter shade out, drying out in the sun. I'm gonna wash the darker shades now and put them towards the ending, or something like that, and I might put them inside as well. So yeah, you guys are probably thinking I'm dressed so fancy. It's because I just went out. So I just came back. I went out with a few friends, so I just came back, so that's why I'm like all dressed up in a suit, in a jumpsuit and stuff. So yeah, anyways, let's go. So in this part, I'm gonna have newborn. In this first row, I'm gonna have newborn to 3 months, and then 3 to 6 months, and this will have bodysuit, and then this will have sleep suit. So we'll take it from there. And then I've got some hats and stuff. So yeah, we'll just put all the stuff away. This is from my hospital bag, so I need to put that back in my hospital bag. Right, I'm going to put the baby stuff that's going to the hospital back inside the Ziploc bag. So I'm going to do them according to the labels. things from my hospital bag for baby, like clothes wise, is back in there, all washed and done. The bodysuit, yeah, the bodysuit from 0 to 6 months in there. And then it's not all of them that's in there, it's just some. And then this is newborn to 3 month stuff, but some of them are also in the hospital bag anyways. So yeah, I don't really get a lot of newborn stuff. I much rather get like 0 to 3 months and stuff. So yeah, that's what's in there. The reason that doesn't seem like a lot is because majority of that is like dress, outfit and stuff, whereas majority of what she's going to be wearing at the beginning is going to be like sleep suits, which are in here. So I've got loads of them. So I've got 0 from here, 0 to like 6 months ranging, or 0 to like at least 3 months in here. And like I said, I've got some in the hospital bag. So yeah. And then we've got some tops, leggings, buttons, dresses, and stuff like that. This shouldn't be in here. This is a suit, so that should be in there. So we've got some dresses, same with this. That should be in here. Anyway, so yeah, slip suits, and then we've got some leggings, some tops, some dresses, African print stuff at the back here, which ranges from 3 to 6 months. So that's all that. So that's all the washing back. 7 months to a year. It's all at the bottom. I've not washed them yet because that's not urgently needed for washing yet. So yeah, I'll wash them when the time presents itself. I have this little organizer here, and this has wipes and nappies. That is obviously for this changing station right here. That's going to be here. So that's the organizing wise. And then obviously, but anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do give it a big thumbs up, and do make sure to comment down below your thoughts and your ideas and everything. And if you like the video, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm out of breath, sorry guys. Yeah, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I shall see you next time.